Hello friends, welcome to my channel. From this video, we are going to start a new video series in which we will cover all the general and basic concepts of geography which are usually asked for UPSC, IAS, NDA, CDS, SSC, etc. This will be very helpful for all those who are preparing for the competitive exams. Before getting to this video, those who have not yet joined our Telegram channel, please join. We will provide all kind of study materials in this channel, and do check out our Instagram page, and for more queries, any doubts, please DM us on the Instagram. So without wasting much time, let's start our video. In this video, we are going to understand what are the factors affecting the Indian climate, not only Indian climate, also a climate of a place. Generally speaking, there are 6 factors which affects the climate of a place. They include latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief features. The first one is the latitude. Due to the curvature of the earth, the amount of solar energy received varies depending upon the latitude. That's why you will see the temperature decreasing as we go away from the equator, and that is towards the pole. This is the equatorial region, from the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere to Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. It is also called as tropical zone or torrid region. As we go further away, we have the temperate zone or the temperate region. This is the region lying between Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. And in the southern hemisphere, it's between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. This area has a pleasant climate. That's why most of the tourist destinations in the world are located in the temperate zone. As we go on further away, we have the frigid zone. It's cold in this region. This area is between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere. And the southern hemisphere, it is located between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. So these are all the latitudinal changes that affects the climate of a place. So let's move to our second factor that is affecting the climate of a particular place, that is the altitude. Altitude means height. The more you go above the ground, that is the surface of the earth, to higher altitude, the temperature will decrease. Because the concentration of air molecule decreases, we also call it as the thin air. That's why when you go to the hill stations, it is cool out there. The third factor is pressure and the wind system. By pressure, we mean that high and low pressure system. Always remember, air moves from high pressure to low pressure area. The best way to understand this is with an example. For example, when we switch on our AC and leave the door open, you will feel that the cool air is going out of the room. And this is because environment outside your room is warm and it's attracting the cool air molecules towards it. Hence, by this example, you can also understand this. The landmass get heated up faster than the water bodies, and due to that, low pressure zone is created in the land surface, which attracts cool air molecules from the sea or ocean, causing rainfall and changes in the temperature. The fourth factor is the distance from the sea. Now, if you are residing towards the coastal areas, you can notice that there is hardly any changes in the weather conditions. I mean, you will be constantly facing the wind from the sea, so there isn't much changes in the weather conditions. But as you move away from the coastal areas towards the central part of the landmass, you will start to witness extreme weather changes like very hot during the summer and very cold during the winter. This condition is known as continentality. The fifth factor is the ocean currents. It is the continuous movement of ocean water from one place to another. Ocean currents are created by wind water temperature, salt content, and the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon. Generally, there are two types of ocean current. One is the cold current, another one is the warm current. In the picture, the red arrow ones indicate the warm current and the blue indicate the cold current. If you notice, most of the warm currents are near the equatorial region, that where the sun rays falls directly and are found in the abundance. So the theory is this warm and cold currents influence the local winds near the land mass and causes change in the climate conditions. Example, with warm current, the land mass faces the warm and humid climate. And the last factor is relief features. In geography, the meaning of relief is typically high and low lying areas like mountain, plains, plateau, deserts, etc. High mountains act as the barriers for the cold and hot winds, just like the Himalayas that protect us from the cold chilly wind from the Arctics. And also due to these mountains, precipitation takes place. Such examples will be the mountains of Western Ghats that lie in the path of the rain-bearing southwest monsoon winds. So these were the 6 factors which is affecting the climate of India, not just India but any places on the earth. I hope this video was very useful for you. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you want to see more such contents, make sure you have subscribed our channel. By doing so, you will get an alert when we upload our next video. Thank you.